After we've acquired a dataset, the next step is to edit and cleanse the data in preparation for visualization. Each dataset in a document is automatically given a name based on the original file name and extension. If desired, we can edit this name. We can also edit the content of a dataset after it's been acquired, which enables us to keep current with changes to the underlying data sources. In this example, we'll edit the existing Yoga West dataset to include the geographic profile column, which was excluded when the dataset was first acquired. Notice that the column we didn't previously acquire is grayed out. We can add the excluded column by selecting the checkbox for the header. In the Prepare workspace, we can take advantage of a number of options for editing the metadata and content of the dataset without changing the original data source. In this example, we'll start cleaning up the dataset by taking a look at the transaction date time column. In this dataset, the transaction date time column has been detected as a string, which we can tell from the ABC icon in the column header. By converting the data type from string to date time, we can ensure that the data can be presented in time-related visualizations. We need to specify the appropriate format for the existing data for both date and time. We can see that a column has been added to the dataset to store the converted values. The original column is still available. Now we'll take a look at the Product Group Category column. In this example, we can see that the Product Group Category column includes both product group and product category information, separated by a colon. We can split the existing column to create individual product group and product category columns. We need to rename the two new dimensions. We can access common commands like renaming in the Options menu for a dimension from both the column header and the list of dimensions. Note that the new dimensions now display the split data and have the new names we specified. In addition to grid format, we can also display measures and dimensions in facet format, which shows the unique values for each, making it easier for us to cleanse our data. Here, we can review the distinct values for each column, which enables us to more easily identify issues with the data. For example, we can see that in the point of sale facet, the term cell has been used instead of mobile in several records. We can replace the incorrect values for the dimension. The data has now been cleansed. Visit the SAP store to download SAP Lumira free today.